I'm still waiting for people to actually get to show up. Then we start the whole thing. I'm just waiting for people to come in. Oh, I see this lady here. Let me admit her. Hello, sir. How are you? Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Sir.
Come again?
All is well. All is well.
Hey, sir, switch off your camera.
Okay, okay.
Can you switch off your cameras, guys?
Switch off.
Yeah, I believe everyone is here. We can start with what we need to discuss. This guy is out. I don't know why these people are coming in and leaving. Siposetu. Okay, he's in again. Karabo. Your mic is off.
Hello.
Yeah, how are you, sir?
Greetings in you.
Okay. I'm good, sir. I'm good. Okay, we're gonna be starting with our meeting right now. Just let me check someone a minute. Give me a minute. I need to check someone, and then
Okay,
we
sir.
start the whole thing.
Okay.
Okay, I see that the person is not online. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna proceed without the person. Okay. So how long have you been trading, sir? Karab?
I've been trading maybe a year now.
A year now.
Yeah.
So okay, how is it going?
It hasn't been going good. So yeah, ups and downs, but I'm sure I'm in the downs right now.
It's just up and down, and you've been
Yeah,
blowing.
Yeah, too many accounts.
Been blowing accounts, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Here is the advice that I can give you about forex trading before we even get to discuss what we need to discuss about today. What I can advise you is make sure that when you are trading, you are having your target, okay?
Okay.
And make sure that how much money do you wish to make in a month? Let me ask that question first before we get down to targets.
This month. This month or like when I'm successful?
No, let's just talk about now. You are trading right now. Which amount you desire to make?
At least 15K.
At least 15K, ne?
Yeah.
So now, when we say 15K now, let's say 15K, how many days do we have in a week? I mean, in a month, we have around 20 days of trading, okay?
Okay.
If we get to break down and we divide that 15K by those 20 days, we're gonna get 750. That simply means you need to be able to make 750 every day. Will you
Okay.
be able to make that based on the skill that you have
Right now.
and based on the account that you have?
Yeah, that's the problem, eh?
Okay, so then now we get to say you can't be able to make that, okay? Let's be honest with ourselves, okay? Let's say now you have
Yeah.
maybe
Yeah.
$50. Let's say now you have a $50 account. Let's say you target 10 US
Okay.
dollar in a day. You're getting
Okay.
10 US
Yes,
dollar
I get you.
in a day. When you target that 10 US dollar in a day, let's times it by 20 days, then we get to see how much you're gonna be making in a month. So we get to see that you will be making 200 US dollar on your first month. You getting?
Okay.
So this is how you need to think when it comes to forex. Whatever target that you want to be making every month, break it down
Okay.
so that you don't get to take too much risk. Imagine you want to make 200 US dollar, but now you think about making it in one day. Why don't you break the whole thing down?
Mm.
And then when we get to the next month, you have 200 US dollar plus that $50 you have. Now it's gonna be 250 US dollar. And then you compound, now you target 15 US dollar or 20 US dollar. So you
Mm.
see that eventually you are going somewhere.
Yes, I get you, sir.
So that's the tricky part that has been happening in our brain. Sometimes when we get to the market, we want to make quick cash.
Mm.
And some of the things, something that happened with me, I used to look at these Instagram gurus and stuff like that, looking at the money they make, forgetting my account, that I have a small account, so I need to be patient about myself. So without any waste
Oh,
of time, that's the advice I can give you. Okay.
okay. Okay,
So
thank you, sir.
then now, are you here? See, posted to.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with calling you a name. I use bro, so now it's no longer bro because we have people here. You getting it?
No,
Because we have people here. So here is something I want to notice on the chart. Ne? We get to see this. You see what price has been doing here, and you see the difference from here. Let me just say here. Do you see the difference? How price has been moving here, and how price has been actually moving here.
yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Do you also see the difference here? And do you see the difference here?
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
get
sir.
to see that here price is shooting, and we get to see that here price is moving up, compressing. You see? And here price is shooting, and here price is compressing. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So we can say now price is moving in a compression. So what I can say to you now, let me take this one out because I don't want us to focus on much about compression. So these are the areas when it comes to forex trading that you need to be looking at, okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
These are your areas that you should be looking at every day, where you see price moving in a shooting way or impulse swing. Because this is what happens with this is what we call price imbalance. When price move like this, it creates imbalance. It needs to come back and rebalance and then change direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Yes.
yeah, I've not yet touched anything. I'm just giving you what you need to be looking at. Let me remove this. Okay, yeah, now I can go back. So we get to see that price has been doing the same thing all over and all over again. You see it here. And you also see it here. Price has been doing the same thing. It's the same thing that price is doing. Same trick all the time. Where you get to see price creating these kind of candles, where you see price shooting. Okay. You get to mark those areas. Let me mark these areas. You mark all those areas. That's where you're gonna be putting your focus on. Okay. Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is where we get to put our focus on. Our eyes should be on these areas. So then now let's go back now. We're just highlighting the areas. We get to see that our price is now actually coming for this area after that. Wait, guys, sorry. Okay, guys, I'm back. I think someone is joined. Who's this Peace Kumalo? Let me see. Yeah, I don't know this person. Peace Kumalo is connecting to audio. Let's wait for this person. Oh, I think it's the. So, guys, do you see what price is creating?
Yes, sir.
This thing, it's always there on the market. It's just we focus too much on stuff that doesn't work sometimes. So let me just change the color so that we get to, let's put maybe red. Hope it will do. Bad.
Demand zone.
So which color should I put? So this guy is saying it's a demand zone and it's a supply zone by that time.
Oh,
Okay, it's fine. So let's look at this. Né? We get to see, if we look here, we get to see that the whole thing started here. You see? The whole thing started here. We extend as this. We get to get our demand zone here. Price hit here and go up. You see?
okay.
And we get to see that the whole thing of this price shoot, it started here. We get to see that we don't have something here So we take this area here, we mark the whole area like this. Then we get to see price coming and dropping. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then we got to see also here that this shoot is started here. So then we mark this area like this. We get to see price hitting here and it went down. I don't know if you get what I'm communicating.
Yes, sir, we get you, sir.
Okay. So we get to see the same thing here. Price does the same thing all over and all over again. This is your demand zone. And if it's at the top like this, it's gonna be your supply zone. When there is too much supply, what do? We get to sell. When there is demand, we get to what?
Bye.
So, okay. So that's the same thing that price has been doing, just playing the same trick again and again and again and again and again. There it is. It drops. I don't know if you guys get this thing.
We do, sir.
Simple stuff. Price come and drop. And then, I mean, it go up when it gets here. What's up? Are you okay, sir? Karab, I hear you saying ish.
Oh, no, I'm okay. I just have a question.
What's the question, sir?
I've been reading about something called order blocks and order flow and stuff. So is supply and demand the same thing as order flow and order blocks?
Okay, first, what is an order block?
An order block, I think it's when the market makers buy on an, for example, a bullish candle, and like if they sell on a bullish candle and then it leaves maybe an engulfing candlestick. So when the market returns to that block, it tends to sell again like a supply zone.
Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna give you control over my screen and you get to show me an order block. Okay?
Okay, sir.
I hear what you are explaining, but we need to be clear about this thing. Let's say I give you control. There is Peace Kumalo. How are you, Peace Kumalo?
I'm good, and you say?
I'm good.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm trying to find you. You don't appear here. The only person that appears here to someone that I can give my permission is actually Kumalo. You guys don't appear. I don't know why. Let me try this. No, sorry, sir. I can't give you access.
Okay, it's okay, sir.
So try to explain again what is an order block so that I get to understand
Okay,
what
like
you are saying.
an order block is like when an engulfing candlestick, when it happens maybe on a liquidity zone. Like for example, I can see it already. Like it's like an engulfing candlestick that happens on an liquidity zone, and then when the market goes back there, it works as a supply zone, and then it drops again.
Okay, so you said you can see it here.
Yeah.
Where do you see it here? Yeah.
Can you go? Maybe you see on 5 December.
5 December. Let me look at 5 December. I see 7 November. We get to say 5 December.
Yeah.
Here.
Go higher. Yeah.
Higher.
Yeah. You
Higher.
see that engulf? Yeah, there. You see that engulfing
This one.
candlestick? Yeah. Can you
So
mark all
this,
of it?
okay, I've marked it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I know as an order block. So when the market left an order block there, they went down and then they came back and they dropped again.
Okay, went back and then drop again.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what is an order block. Okay, so when it gets to, then you get to talk about order flow. I hear you talking about order flow.
Yes.
Okay, now what is order flow?
So sorry.
What is order flow? I heard you talking about order flow.
Or order flow, I thought like that. Let's say maybe I showed you like what I think is an order block. So imagine
Yes.
if we had in a downtrend, if we had many engulfing candlesticks, and then
Yes,
it
yes.
yeah, in a downtrend, then it forms a bearish order flow, for example.
Bearish order flow. So now let's get to talk about what you were saying.
Okay.
Let me just give you some few tips, because what we are talking about, it's something that it's institutional trading. What you are talking about. Let's say we have the market doing something like this,
Okay.
and then we get to see the market coming here, and then we see the market dropping, and then we see the market dropping like this, and then we get to be having our order block here. Okay, we get to
Yes.
be having our order block here.
Yes, sir.
Since we get to say price is being moved by liquidity, and what I mean by liquidity, it's where the money is actually.
Okay.
Okay, sorry,
Yes, sir.
I was busy about something. So we get to say price is being moved by liquidity, and we say liquidity is resting on previous highs and previous lows. Okay.
Okay.
And what I mean by liquidity, I mean money, where the money is. That's where we get to talk about liquidity now. You getting?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And the money could be in a form of a buy, stop, or whatever pending order you can think of, or stop losses. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the tendency that price has, it comes for those stop loss and collect it. Maybe price now get to come here and collect this area, or price get to come here and collect this area. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So then now we get to say, since we see price failing to collect liquidity here because we have an order block here, what we expect to see now, since price is going down because of this order block, we expect this area here to be exposed. Let me highlight it. We expect this area here to be exposed, to be taken out. You getting it?
Oh, okay.
Why? Because we say price seeks liquidity. You getting it? And liquidity is resting on previous highs and previous lows. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So then now price come here and fail to collect liquidity here because there is an order block here. Then this area, it's gonna be taken out. It's exposed to be taken out because price one way or another, price has to collect liquidity. You getting it?
Okay, sir.
So failure to collect liquidity here, it simply exposed this low here to be taken out. That's why now I get to say, okay, let me leave that one. So then now we get to see that price is gonna come here and collect this thing. Okay.
Okay.
So that's based on order flow. That's the simplest way I can explain what is order flow.
Okay, sir. I understand now.
You getting it?
Yes, yes.
We get to see that we made our entry here based on order block. So we know that since price failed to take out this high here, we get to say, oh, order flow is going down. So it's gonna take whatever that is here. You getting?
Yes, sir. I
So that's
understand
the
now.
concept of order flow. Although it's a little bit of something that it's a lot, man. It's a lot. It's a lot. But we are not talking about it. So I was just clarifying it to you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because it's something that is it's under institutional trading. So but I was just clarifying, but I hope you understand.
Oh, yes, I really do, sir.
Okay.
I really do.
So hence now I come to you and I say something on one of the videos that is on YouTube. I always say something that if you get to where should I pick the best example? Okay, I'm looking for something that I can use for illustration purpose. Okay, I say something on YouTube. You get to see that if price come to this area, you see this area.
Okay, yes, sir.
This area here, it's our supply zone. Ne?
Okay.
Do you understand why is our supply zone?
Because you marked the zone from the neckline of the M.
Yes, because you get to see that this thing of this impulse swing, if you look previously here, there is nothing, but we get to see here that there is something. You're getting? So when price was dropping like this, we can actually say price was filling in this liquidity void that was being created here. You see?
Okay.
So
Okay.
by then, when it gets here, we get to see that there is nothing to fill here. So this is actually a gap. This is actually the area that has been exposed to be filled in. You getting it?
Okay.
So we get to say, oh, we're gonna take this area as a what? As our supply zone. Yes.
Oh.
Because the whole thing started here of going down, shooting like this and going down. Because we don't count this because it's being minus by this. I hope you get it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. So then now price come back to this area and then we get to see price dropping. And what did I say? I said if we see price failing to take out previous high, we get to ignore the next low as our demand. That's what I said in one of the videos. Did you watch that?
Oh, yes, I did. I watched a lot of your videos.
Okay. So you get to know that this area is something that you're gonna ignore.
Okay.
Simply order flow still. It's still order flow. Just explain it in a different way there. But it's still the same thing.
Oh.
You get it?
Okay. Yes, I get it, sir.
Okay.
I do.
So this is the only guy that is asking question. Is there anyone with a question? Are my people here? Yeah, they are here. Okay, it's the same thing here. Same thing here. We get to see.
Lotus forget it.
Oh, okay, Shepard. When you need to relax, we're gonna talk later. You and I.
Okay.
Just relax. We're gonna talk after this meeting. We need to discuss something. So you see what happens here. Same thing.
Supply zone.
Price. Yes, we get to see we have our supply zone here. Price hit here and price go down.
Okay,
So,
sir,
okay, come again, say us.
do you look for supply zones only in downtrends and or do you look? Can you look for a supply zone in an uptrend?
Okay, we get to talk about something in our mentorship. Okay, let me just answer this one. Okay, so what you are saying we get to look for supply zones on an downtrend or demand zone on an uptrend. That's
Yeah,
what you are saying.
yeah, I'm
Yes.
asking.
Yes, that's very true. That's very true. That's very true. That's very true because we get to see that when price is moving up, it has a tendency of taking out previous highs. So you cannot be looking for your supply zones when price is in an uptrend because it has a tendency of taking out previous highs, previous highs, previous highs, previous highs because it's going up. You getting it?
Okay.
So what you will be looking for is your lows. You will be looking at your lows, highlighting them as your what? As your demand zones, okay?
Mm.
I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Okay. So that's what you will be looking for. That's what you will be looking for. Simple stuff, you see? Simple stuff. Nothing complicated. There is nothing complicated. Nothing complicated. There is nothing complicated. So how you said you have 1 year trading.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice, man. That's nice. I think I've moved too much. So that's what you need to understand. Simple stuff. Trading is not difficult as you think. It's just the approach we have when it comes to the market. It's wrong. For an example, I get to see this thing of trend lines. They say this is a trend line. Okay. They say this is a trend line, okay? You know it.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so they get to say when price come here, it's gonna do what they're gonna sell.
Oh, yeah. Ish.
And when
Yeah,
price gets here, they're gonna do what? They're gonna sell.
sell. Yeah.
Look what price did. Look what price did. It broke this thing. You getting it?
Oh. Oh, yeah, I see.
So now, the only reason why I'm not a fan of trend line, I am always against trend line. It's because if you can't tell me when the market will break here, then hey. If you can't tell me that, then it's now gambling. And if that's the case, I won't be trading forex if it's gambling.
So, sir. Sir.
Come again.
I wanted to ask, you see by 22 February, would you say that is a supply zone?
22 February. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna look at it. Okay, where is 22? Let me remove these lines of mine before these retail traders start to fight me. This is their thing. They like it so much. Trend line, it broke the trend line. Did you know when will it break it? No. So, okay, you are saying I should go to
22 February.
22 Feb. Okay. Oh, there is 22 February. Today is 22 February.
Yeah.
Then you are talking about which area now?
22 February, like there. I was saying, would you say it's a supply zone?
This one.
No, not there. To your right, upwards.
This
No,
one.
up, like to your right. Yeah, no,
Oh, you mean
downwards.
here?
Isha,
Wait.
I meant like,
you are looking for supply zones, ne?
yeah.
Okay, just tell me in which direction, ne? I'm gonna be
Yeah,
moving like this.
yeah,
You're gonna
there.
tell me to stop.
Yeah, there.
Here.
No, down to your left, down.
You mean here?
Yeah.
Okay. So you highlight this area.
Oh, so is that a a good supply zone for you?
You know, personally, I won't be taking this. Too small, like this one candle and then come back and then. But you can take it. It's not a problem. You can take it. But then you will get to see that price is busy doing like this. You see?
It's
When price
consolidating.
get to your supply, or when price get to your demand zone, you need to see it going away. You getting it?
Okay.
If you see it playing around, just get out of that thing.
Yeah.
Because it simply tells you that what price is trying to do is trying to build up some momentum. That's what we call smart money accumulation. When you see something like this happening, you need to know that the big boys, they are accumulating orders now. You getting?
Or on a
So you
consolidation.
need to ignore. Yes, that's when they get to accumulate orders.
Okay.
And then after that they pick a direction. Simple stuff
Okay,
like that.
so.
There is
Okay,
nothing
so.
difficult, trust me.
Sh-
Nothing difficult. Nothing difficult. And do you see, I talk about something, I said you need to be having a shoot and then you're gonna see price compressing. You see that every time when price is going to your supply or your demand zone, it gets to compress. Do you see it? And then after that, what do you see? And after it does that, what do you see? You get to see a shoot. You see? So this is the thing that you need to have now. When you see price compressing, going towards a certain direction, if it's going up, you need to be looking for what? For your supply zone. It's just an alert to you that price is going to a significant level.
Okay.
So when you see compression, get to ask yourself, where is the significant level where price will drop and start to shoot? Because the way price move, we get to see compression and shoot, compression and shoot, compression and shoot. You see here, same thing here. We get to see a shoot, we see compression here, we see compression, we see a shoot. Same thing all over again.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Would you say that is a where you are right now? Would you say it's in a demand zone? If you go to your left again,
Yeah.
yeah, would you say that's a demand zone? No, to your right, yeah, there.
I mean, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that
This one is yes, it's proper stuff. This one.
Okay.
It's proper stuff, this one. You can see it yourself. It's proper stuff. Because we get to see that price collect liquidity here, you see. We get to see price take out the stops that are resting here. And then we get to mark this area here. because price already collected liquidity. So for chances of this low being violated here, they are very less.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
because we already got the money here. So for us to violate this, nah.
Low
So then
chances.
price come back and pull back again and take out this one and come back again, respect this one. Why? It took out everything here. It already got the money. So it respect this one now and pulls here until it gets to our interest area where we get to see price now selling.
Okay, I get you, sir. I understand.
Need to be
Sir,
making money, sir, if you understand. Yes, sir.
do you mark your supply and demand zones based on candlesticks?
Based on candlesticks.
Yeah.
But there is one thing that you need to notice about this thing of supplying zones and stuff like that. You know, you okay, let's leave it. You see here,
Okay.
you get to see this kind of candles. Have you seen that all the time? This kind of candles they appear.
What? Which, like this
Okay,
consolidation
let's
or
say.
whatever?
Okay, let's say now price is doing like this. Né? Let's say price is doing like this. You get to see price doing like this. Get to see price dropping. Our forecast now will be this area. You get it?
Okay, yes, sir.
Price, yeah. Price needs to come because remember this low here what's being violated. So we expect price to come back and respect it. So when we have some liquidity voids here, we get to know that price is just gonna fill in the void and then we get to see it dropping. Okay. You get it? Same
Okay.
thing here. You can see that we have a low here. That's why I mark it like this and then go this way. Because I know that that's where all these things started. It started here, all these things that you see.
What the drop?
Yes. That's why we
Oh,
say you need to put your stop loss on previous highs and previous lows because the market has a tendency to respect them.
oh, okay.
Yes.
Mm.
So I think we are done. I think we are done with everything. I think we are done.
Okay,
We
sir.
are done. But have you
Oh,
understand everything?
sir, you helped me a lot, sir.
Okay, that's great. I will hear from you. You will inbox me if there is something else that we need to clarify.
Okay, sir.
Oh, okay. No, all the best, man. All the best. We are
Thank you very
done
much.
with this. Okay, okay. We are
Same to
done
you,
with
sir.
this. Okay, okay. No problem, sir. We'll talk. We'll talk.
Sure.
Karapo. It's Kumalo. Kumalo. Let me talk to Kumalo. Kumalo.
Yes, sir.
Hey, say, how are you? You have been watching?
Hello.
Yes, Kumalo.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. So, do you have any question?
No, I think I'm fine.
You think you are fine, sir?
Yeah.
No, that's nice. That's nice. Let me ask the next guy. Suppose two. Suppose two.
Yes, sir.
How are you? You are good.
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Or did you grasp anything?
Yeah, I grasped something, sir.
Oh, okay. No,
Yes,
it's
sir.
fine. Okay. Now I need this. Whom do I need here to talk about something else? We need to discuss something about tomorrow. Buddha solutions and suppose too. You can remain. We need to discuss something. And then the rest of you guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. We're gonna see you next time when you have some questions, and then if there is anything that we need to clarify, we're gonna come back and clarify.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, now I'm left with these two people. Hey, you people, open up your minds, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sugar.
Shepherd.
Yeah, sugar.
Beat this guy. I will beat you. So, guys, we have been talking about some retail trading concept. Now I think we should get to institutional trading, okay? I think we should get to the real core thing. So you got to see that the way I approach retail trading concept stuff now, I've added a little bit of institutional trading.
Yeah, available for free.
Yeah, so these guys, they gonna come again.
Ngithi mina besengilimale entweni.
No, bro. It was just
Angiva nje.
Say something again. Say what you have been saying, because you have been sounding like a robot. I know, but that's why I'm saying repeat again.
Oh, I was saying Elon. I was saying I thought we were giving away the strategy to these retail kids.
No, say I'm not gonna be giving stuff for free. Although what I've given them, you can get to see that I've added something a little bit, and it's sort of giving it value so that it works. They're gonna make money with this, trust me.
And I noticed that guy who was doing that, he was going somewhere with something just that, but I didn't want to say much.
Yeah, he heard me talking about this stuff.
Fast.
He heard me talking about this stuff in one of the YouTube videos. That's why he's asking about it. So he heard me talking about it, just mentioning it in passing. So I did the same thing again when he was asking. But trust me, they're gonna make money.
Okay.
I think we should now be focusing on what we need to be focusing on, institutional trading. So what is it that you want to know, Shepard?
Get to the dollar index. Yeah, dollar index. We also have Elon. Yeah. Okay, now Vela O2 lap in the side. The EURUSD. Okay.
EURUSD.
Are you with? Yeah. Okay, put on me it. Yeah, I wanna make the argument right here. Yeah.
Okay, let me
Okay, I'm listening. Mamela Putam.
Okay. Let me clean up everything.
Okay.
Let me
Supposed
Yes.
to
Yes,
keep
sir.
on this bad.
No, all is
All
well,
right,
sir.
Putam.
Yeah.
And I can recognize the potato iPhone from a mile away. From a mile away. How's campus? How's campus? I'm snitching on a nigga, ne? I'm snitching on a nigga.